Here we're given triangle ABC. I'm going to go ahead and draw it a little bit. Where angle C is 60 degrees. Side A, we'll call that this one, is 10. Side B, which will be this one, is 14. And we are looking to find what side C is. So in this one, when we're given two sides that surround an angle, we should be able to use the law of cosines, where in this situation, we are going to be solving for the opposite side of the angle that we're given. So our equation here deals with, I'll rewrite the whole thing, c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of the angle that we're given, which is 60. And, oh, sorry, I should put it as the original. So this is big C because it's the angle, not the side. Now we're going to plug in the values that we're given. And sometimes for me, the way that I write it, because memorizing stuff is hard, I do B times A cosine of C, because then I can say A squared plus B squared minus 2 Bacosk, because for some reason Bacosk being a weird sound is easier to remember. So I use it that way. So if I plug it in, and I switch A and B, don't get too stressed. It's the same since it's multiplication. So in this one here, once I kind of plug everything in, what I will get is C squared, which is what I'm looking for, the side, equals 10 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 10, 14 cosine of the angle given, which is 60. So as I kind of go through and do some of the math to make it a little bit simpler to see here, 2 times 10 times 14 is 280. Sorry, that's 60. And then I add these two values together to get 296 minus 280. Cosine is 60. And then this is kind of what I end up plugging into the calculator here, which spits out a value of about 156. So that tells me that this side C, is equal to 156. That's a huge number. Oh, I didn't square root it. That's my fault. Ha! Okay, so this is why you got to double check your work. That doesn't make any sense, right? So I got to the end of the problem. 156 didn't make any sense. So I double checked my work and saw, hey, I forgot to square root 156 because remember it's C squared over here. So C squared equals 156. I take the square root of both sides, and that tells me that C, I'm going to round here, is about 12.49. And that makes way more sense in my situation here, 12.49. And that is a much better answer.